fantasy, caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see.
This is a typical 35mm camera, popularly used in photography for many years. The film is carried in the camera body across here, being relayed from one cassette to another. Black and white film consists of an emulsion with silver halides in it. The reason for this is that silver halides react to light. The more light, the more reaction. Consequently, you then have the principle of varying greys, whites and blacks being in the emulsion because of this process. It then has to be developed, which we'll go into in a short while. The principle of taking a photograph is quite easy. Light enters the camera via the lens. There is an aperture in the lens that is variable. There's also a shutter whose speed is variable, and what happens is when the button is pressed, the shutter opens, lets light through the lens and exposes the film.